Time is the one thing we can never get back. Once it's gone forever. The clock keeps ticking, and every second that passes is an opportunity lost if you don't act. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but what we choose to do with that time determines our future. Stop wasting time. The life you want, the success you seek, the dreams you hold, everything is within your reach if you stop waiting and start acting. Procrastination is the silent killer of dreams. It whispers in your ear, convincing you that you have time, that you can do it tomorrow, that you deserve a break today. But the truth is, tomorrow is never guaranteed. If you keep putting things off, if you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll wake up one day realizing that the years have passed by, and you're no closer to your goals. Stop waiting. Start now. There's no better time than today to take the first step. It's easy to get caught up in the small distractions of life, the endless scrolling on your phone, the endless someday dreams, the things that feel important in the moment but don't move you toward your goals. Time slips away so quietly, and before you know it, months or even years have passed. Don't let this happen to you. Time is precious, and every moment you waste is one you'll never get back. If you want to achieve greatness, you have to act now, not later. We all have dreams, and we all have a vision for the life we want to live. But dreams alone won't get you anywhere. Dreams require action. They require effort. They require you to make the most of every single moment. Stop wasting time thinking about what you could do or what you wish you could do. Take action right now, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your life starts to shift. The path to your dreams is built with the steps you take today. One of the biggest lies we tell ourselves is that we have all the time in the world. But time doesn't wait for anyone. It doesn't pause for your comfort, for your excuses, or for your fears. Time marches on, and it's up to you to decide how to use it. Every moment is an opportunity. Don't let the fear of failure or the comfort of doing nothing rob you of your future. Stop wasting time, because time is the one thing you'll never be able to get back. Think about how many hours you've already spent thinking about the things you want to do. Now imagine if you had used those hours to actually work toward your goals. Time spent thinking, planning, or worrying without action is wasted time. Stop thinking and start doing. The world rewards action. If you want to see change, if you want to see results, you have to take consistent action every single day. Once it's gone forever. But it's also a resource you can invest. Every action you take today is an investment in your future. Every decision you make, every step you take toward your goals, compounds over time and brings you closer to where you want to be. Stop wasting time on things that don't serve you. Invest your time in things that move you forward, that push you closer to your dreams. You have goals, you have dreams, but what are you doing to make them a reality? Time will pass whether you use it wisely or not. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is how they use their time. Stop letting life pass you by. Every minute you waste is a minute you'll never get back. Use your time to create the life you want. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter, and start focusing on the things that will get you closer to your goals. It's easy to get caught in the trap of someday, I'll start that project. Someday, I'll work on my fitness. Someday, I'll make a change. But let me ask you, what are you waiting for? Why put off your dreams for another day, another week, another year? The only thing standing between you and your success is the decision to start now. Stop wasting time thinking about someday. Make today the day that you take action. The future you want is created in the present moment. If you don't make the most of the time you have now, you'll never get to where you want to be. You can't change the past and you can't control the future, but you have full control over what you do today. Don't waste your time on regret or fear. Focus on what you can do today and make every minute count. The future is built on the actions you take right now. Time is a gift, and we often take it for granted. We think that we have plenty of time, that there will always be a tomorrow, but we don't know what tomorrow holds. We only have today, and today is the day to make a change. Stop wasting time waiting for the right circumstances or for things to get easier. They won't. Instead, take action now and start making the most of every single day. The path to success is not a straight line. It's filled with challenges, setbacks, and mistakes. But what separates those who make it from those who don't is their ability to take action despite the obstacles. Stop waiting for the perfect time. There will never be a perfect time. The best time to start is always right now. Don't let fear or doubt keep you from taking action. Stop wasting time waiting for things to change them yourself. Stop making excuses. Excuses are the lies we tell ourselves to avoid doing the hard work. I don't have enough time, I'm not good enough, I'll do it tomorrow. But the truth is, you have time. You are good enough. And tomorrow is never promised. The only time you truly have is right now. Stop wasting time on excuses. Take responsibility for your actions and make the decision to move forward today. Time waits for no one. Every minute you waste is a minute you'll never get back. Think about the things you want to accomplish, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, and ask yourself, am I really making the most of my time? Time is precious and every moment counts. Stop wasting time on distractions, procrastination, or negative thoughts. Every moment you waste brings you further from your dreams. Take action now and make every second count. If you want to be successful, you have to be relentless with your time. Time is your most valuable resource, and it's up to you to manage it wisely. Don't let time slip away doing things that don't contribute to your growth or your goals. Stop wasting time on things that drain your energy and focus on the things that will move you forward. Success is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of making the best use of your time. It's easy to get stuck in a cycle of complacency, thinking that you'll have time later to chase your dreams. But that's a dangerous mindset. You never know when your time might run out. Don't wait for life to hand you opportunities, create your own. Stop wasting time waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment doesn't exist. The moment is now. Take action today and build the life you've always wanted. Every person who has achieved success, whether in business, fitness, or life, has one thing in common: they took action. They didn't wait for the right conditions, they didn't make excuses, and they didn't waste time. They made the most of every moment. If you want to be successful, you have to stop wasting time. Don't wait for the stars to align. Align your actions with your goals and make things happen. Time doesn't stop, and neither should you. Every second counts, and you have the power to make the most of every moment. If you want to reach your goals, you have to stop wasting time on things that don't serve you. Time is not an unlimited resource. Once it's gone forever. Start acting now. Make every minute count and put your time to work for you. You are the only one responsible for how you spend your time. No one can make you use your time wisely but you. The choice is yours: waste time on distractions or use time to create the life you want. Stop wasting time waiting for someone to give you permission or to tell you it's the right time. The time is now. Stop waiting and start acting. Make today the day you commit to using your time to build the future you deserve. If you want to achieve your goals, you have to eliminate the things that waste your time. You have to let go of the distractions, the things that pull you away from what really matters. It's easy to get sidetracked, but remember, every moment you spend on something that doesn't serve your goals is a moment you'll never get back. Stop wasting time. Focus on what really matters and use your time to move closer to your dreams. Think about the life you want to live, the person you want to become. What are you doing today to make that happen? Your dreams are not going to come true if you continue to waste time. The only way to bring your vision to life is by taking consistent action every single day. Stop wasting time on distractions. Every action you take today is a step toward the future you desire. Make it count. Time is the one resource you can't get back, and yet so many of us squander it. We put things off, we delay, and we procrastinate. But every moment we waste is a missed opportunity. You have the potential to accomplish amazing things, but you won't do it by sitting back and waiting. Stop wasting time. Get up, take action, and start making the most of every second you have. Stop living in the future or the past. The only time that truly matters is now. You can't change what happened yesterday, and you can't control what happens tomorrow. The only thing you have power over is what you do today. Stop wasting time thinking about what could have been or what might be. Focus on what you can do now. Take action today, and the future you want will start to take shape. Time is a limited resource. There's no getting around that. But how you use your time is up to you. The difference between where you are now and where you want to be lies in how you use your time today. If you want success, you have to stop wasting time on things that don't move you forward. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity. The perfect moment is now, and your time starts today. The clock is ticking. Every second is an opportunity, and it's up to you to decide how to use it. Don't let time slip away. Stop wasting it on things that don't matter, and start using it to build the life you want. Make the most of today, because once it's gone, you'll never get it back. Take action, take control, and make every moment count. Your future is created by the actions you take today. Stop wasting time and start making your dreams a reality.